What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over today's day trading recap. Traded stock MIRM, and we went from $11 and change to $22.43. Check it out. You already saw the tank, so we're not going to bother with that right now. You already saw the tank, and you already saw the filter area. So what I'm going to show you is what I've been waiting for to get this up and running. So I've been waiting for this right here. It is a filter so that I can actually have real good quality water in there. You know, I'm going to keep a reef. I'm going to keep live corals in that tank, and you guys are going to enjoy seeing that in the background. And in order for me to keep that healthy, I need healthy water. So I needed that. And then I also needed this little weird, looks like pellets, right? This is like to breed or hold good bacteria in the tank so that the tank can stay healthy as well. So it needs all these little things that actually help keep tank very nice and healthy. And I've been waiting on all that. So now that I have it, I'm gonna get to work on it. And this week at some point, that tank will have sand, rocks, and water. And you won't have to stare at that empty thing anymore. Well, guys, this morning, I got up, took a look at my gap scans, didn't like anything, made a little watch list, CEI, SPY, AXM, BA, and ASRT, and I was watching all of those, in the morning, see what they would do. I took a picture of my gap scan, tweeted about it, I put the picture out there so you guys can see the gap scanner. If you want to follow me on Twitter so you can take a look at that and other trade ideas and just other tweets in general, link in the description section below. You'll have my Twitter, Instagram, and stock tweets and other social media, I'm sure, is down there in the description section below, as well as if you want 15% off on the trade idea scanners, there's a coupon in the description section below for that. So go ahead and take a look at that. And do me the quick favor, smash the like button if you enjoy the live trades that I upload every single time I trade. So go ahead and smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and we're going to go ahead and jump right on into the video. So my one and only trade this morning has been MIRM. MIRM went from $11.22 low of the day to a high of $22.43. That is one massive move. We had this quick pop here at the opening bell, and then it pulled in to VWAP after setting a high up here at $14.54. It pulled it in down here to 13 and change, found support at VWAP, and then just went. It got halted here at 16.13, gapped up higher, and then it started just to put these wicks in here right at 15.50. But I was trying to see if we would get a pull in underneath 15. Give me a pull in down here into this initial morning high down here at 14.50s. So I was thinking between 15 to 14.50, I could build a little position there and see if we could get this 90 MA to cross over VWAP and send us up to, 15, 16, 17, maybe $18, right? And the move did happen, but it never gave me the pullback that I wanted. And I didn't want to chase this up here, 50 cents higher than I initially wanted for a dip entry, because these are just quick little dips and not a real nice consolidation dip like this. See, this made a new high here, pulled it in, consolidated. That's what I wanted down here. Pull it in down here to $14.50, $15, consolidate in that area, maybe $14.80, $14.60, $15.10, $15.20, consolidate in that area, give me an opportunity to put a bid out, get filled, and have a real nice low risk. I like to put myself in 1 to 3 reverse risk reward ratios, right? So I'm risking $1 to make 3. Generally speaking, right? Doesn't mean I'm going to make $3 on my entire position for the most part, but that's the type of trade that I like to be disciplined enough to take. So I didn't get, a single entry in all of this mess. Once we pulled it in here, right? It pulled in all the way down here to 1883, but I was looking for something closer to 17, and change down here closer to VWAP. I wanted to see it tap VWAP and bounce. That's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see it come down, tap VWAP, boom, and give us one of those real nice bounces, right? That's what I wanted to see, but it didn't give it to me. And I really would have liked that, because I would have gone along down here at 17.80, $17.50, $18 to the penny. In that range, I would have had very low risk. I would have had probably the maximum risk of $1 risk for the shot at making, like $4, $2 to $4 per share as I scale out. This could have been a real nice winner. Had I gotten my position down here, which I wanted 200 shares, right? And taking profits as we squeezed up here, this could have been a nice $400, $500, $600 winner. Instead, it didn't give me that, not even once. And I mean, I upped my bid a few times looking to get filled, even at 1780, right? Knowing VWAP was down here at 1770s. Well, at the time, it was down here near closer to 1760, 1750 area. And I was really hoping we'd get that dip, but didn't give it to me. So I waited and waited. And when we got that little pop over this pivot point at $20, I got long right there. Smaller share size, riskier trade. And I got long there at $20.84, looking to see if we could break through this 2250 area. 2243 is high a day, which I would have expected would have sent us to at least 23 bucks, 24.50, something like that. So I thought to myself, okay, well, I'll put myself here in this position here at 2084. I'll risk underneath 20, looking for this pivot area to hold support, which has been resistance here, here, here. So I'm looking for that to hold support. If it breaks underneath 20 bucks, I'm out. So I was risking 84 cents basically for the shot at making $1.50, maybe $2, maybe $2. But once we couldn't break through that area, I just got out of the way, took that little profit I had, which was around 75 cents, and went home with that. So that was it. That was my trade on that. I was also watching CEI, but CEI just wasn't there. As you can see, it just sold off, had this VWAP test, came back down to $2. I mean, I could see it break through VWAP and maybe make a run to 230, but I took my attention off of that and kept my attention on MIRM, which still has potential. I'm still watching this. It's held the 1750 area real nice, which is what I wanted to buy over here. But I'm still watching it. Well, before I show you the live trades, let me show you my orders. You can see right here, MIRM, buy $20.84, sell $21.60. So almost $1 a share, almost, just underneath. Missed it by 20 cents. I did hold all the way up here to $22, and I expected, the break to go to 22.50 and go, but it just didn't. And when it didn't, I got out of the way. Let's see here. Here I have right here where I'm showing you, I'm trying to get ready to bid 200 shares at $17.80, but it won't give it. It won't give it up. And I wasn't going to buy it here at $19 right in front of that pivot. If that pivot holds and then it rejects, and then all of a sudden I'm down here at $17.50, down $2 a share, that's not fun. So I'm either going to wait for my dip or buy a break and hold of the pivot. It broke and hold the pivot, and that's what I bought. And we have that right here. We broke and hold the pivot, and I'm in 100 shares just to mitigate risk, $20.85, and I'm looking for that break up over 22.50. We'll go ahead and fast forward that just a tad. See, we're already up there. 21.80, I'm in at 20.85. That's pretty good. I'm almost up $1 a share. But I'm really looking for that 22.50 break, because I'm sure that if we break 22.50, we're going to push, at least to $23. So that would have been a real nice take profit area there, especially with just 100 shares. But watch, see, we don't break. We get up there, we don't break. So I just take it. And then we get the rejection. And volume increasing as it's pulling in. And this is what we had consequently after that. All pulled in all the way to 1750. And now we're going to get this 90 MA looking like it's going to cross over VWAP, making this a real nice short, because it's going to cross VWAP going to the downside. So that's it for me today. That's all I traded. Guys, have you heard about Webull? Webull's a new app that's like Robinhood, just way better than Robinhood. In all honesty, it's way better than Robinhood. You have all sorts of indicators that you can add to your charts, both on the web platform and on your app on the phone. You have 4 a.m. pre-market trading, which I don't even have that with E-Trade. So it's pretty nice for swing trades. Then you also have paper trading that you can do. So you can practice paper trading on the app, which is pretty cool. Robinhood doesn't have that either. You also have obviously news, and you have social media section where you can comment and discuss with other traders. You also have a free stock when you download the app that you can claim. Then you have another free stock that you can claim when you deposit $100 into your account, you get another free stock. And these free stocks, the first one I think can be valued up to $400 or $500, I want to say. The second one can be valued up to $1,500, $1,400, in that range. And then you also have raffles that they're doing. They're doing free raffles right now that you can win new iPhone 11s. So, I mean, that's a huge win right there in itself. Have you used Webull? If you have, let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. Also, I'm going to put a link to the review video I did on Webull in the comment section below, so you can check that out. In the meanwhile, let me know if you traded MIRM. How did you do today on it? Drop it in the comment section below. Entries and exits. If you didn't trade that, what did you trade? Let me know, because I'm just sitting on a bunt of a day with $75, but at least that's day number 6 green in a row. I hope you smash the like, subscribe to the channel for me, and I'll catch you on the next one.